Hey guys, Matt Mercer here. I wanted to share with you a quick sneak peek at this new Pathfinder Survival Bivvy that's about to release at Self-Reliance Outfitters. If you think about everything that we do in the woods or in a survival scenario, everything comes back to maintaining your body's core temperature. Whether you're building a fire to receive the heat from that fire, whether you're building a shelter to block out the elements, even disinfecting water and keeping your body hydrated goes towards maintaining your body's core temperature. So this new Survival Bivvy, in my opinion, is going to be a powerful tool that's compact, lightweight, easy to put in any kit, whether it be your day bag, whether it be an emergency supply kit, or even a bug out bag. This is a powerful tool that you can easily carry that will help you in a cold weather environment to maintain your body's core temperature. This bag is approximately 7 feet long, and so it'll fit most adult males. It's a mummy bag style. In other words, it has a hood around the top with a drawstring, so you can pull that thing in and help maintain head heat. A lot of times we lose a lot of heat out through our head, especially me, not having a lot of hair. But this will allow you to kind of pull that thing in over your head and retain that heat. It is more like a Tyvek style material on the outside, so it's breathable, but yet it's waterproof, it's windproof, and it has a reflective silver lining on the inside to help reflect back your body's heat. So in the past, I've played with some of these survival bivvies made out of mylar and stuff, and a lot of times they were very thin, easy to tear up type material. This is a lot more substantial piece of kit. It has a zipper here on the side, so it makes it easy to get in and out without putting stress on the bag. Very comfortable, spacious on the inside, enough to be comfortable, but yet small enough that it keeps that heat in. I got in this thing recently with just a base layer on, and I was amazed at how fast my body's heat collected within that bag and how warm I was able to get with nothing else really on but just a light base layer. So I think this is a great piece of kit. I think it's going to fill a need for a lot of people who want a powerful tool in a lightweight, compact package that's easy to put in any kit, and I just thought I'd share this with you guys today. I'm really excited about this product, and I'm looking forward to using it further in the woods. I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of it, and I'll include some steals. If you are interested, this will release on Friday, March 25th at Self-Reliance Outfitters. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in checking it out, and I hope you guys have enjoyed taking a quick look at this. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Be safe. All right, so just to give you a quick look here, this is the foot box on this bivvy. You can see it's sort of an earth brown type color. And as we come up here to the front, we have our side zipper. You can see that. It comes down about a quarter of the way. Makes it easy to get in and out. You can see here the hood. It has that drawstring here on the other side with just a little slider, spring-fed slider there. And of course, down on the inside of the bag, we have that silver lining material, which reflects the body's heat really well. So just an awesome product, and one that I think is going to benefit a lot of people. You guys go and check it out at selfrelianceoutfitters.com.